Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen timeout time on Oppo Smart Watches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Tap Screen Display. Scroll down and select Auto Screen Off. Here you can swipe up and down through the different times. The longest time you can choose is 60 seconds. Choose the timeout time that you would like, and then tap OK. Your watch's screen timeout time has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.